current coronavirus pandemic has shown us that a strong immunity is of utmost importance for a healthy life. People whose immunity was better had the least threat of contracting the infection and also had less severe symptoms if they did get infected. So, what builds the body's immunity? Well, the answer is quite simple. A nutritious diet is all you need to build a strong immunity. In fact, the more we focus on nutrition, the stronger and healthier our society as a whole will be. Keeping this in mind, Aahar Kranti, Uttam Aahar, Uttam Vichar was launched on April the 13th as a nutritional mass movement through a virtual event. Dignitaries and officials of organizations related to the campaign were also part of the online function.
हम सब जानते हैं कि पोषण उत्तम जीवन का आधार है। स्वस्थ जीवन से ही स्वस्थ एवं समृद्ध समाज का निर्माण होता है। हमारे ऋषियों महर्षियों द्वारा अन्वेषित आयुर्वेद ने पूरी दुनिया का मार्गदर्शन किया है और अब समय आ गया है कि हम उसी समृद्ध ज्ञान को फिर से जीवन में लागू कर स्वास्थ्य और सामाजिक चुनौतियों का सामना करें।
Vigyan Bharati and its associate organization Global Indian Scientists and Technocrats Forum have launched Aahar Kranti with the idea of positive nutrition, Uttam Aahar, Uttam Vichar. It is being promoted by Vigyan Prasar and Pravasi Bharatiya Academic and Scientific Sampark or Prabhas of CSIR with the aim of creating a mass movement. The mission is to make people aware about the nutrients in locally available fruit and vegetables from different regions of the country. This diet revolution will help not only in removing malnutrition but also in improving the economic health of the country, as the market for local fruit and vegetables will get an impetus. Demand for traditional crops will also increase, leading to increased returns of farmers and local vendors. At the same time, a nourished society will help the nation in facing epidemics and challenges like the coronavirus in the future. For this movement to be successful, every section of the society needs to be reinformed about the traditional diet and its nutritional values.
जो प्रकृति में जिस समय उपलब्ध रहता है उस समय उसका सेवन करना ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण ऐसा वैज्ञानिक सिद्धांत है। ये एक पक्ष अन्न के बारे में हम सब अपने देश में परंपरा से आया हुआ देखते हैं। जैसे जिस समय में क्या खाना चाहिए इसका एक विधि विज्ञान के आधार पर बन गया है और सदियों से अपने देश में चल रहा है। लेकिन फिर एक बार इसका स्मरण सभी को करा देने की आवश्यकता है।
On the occasion, a monthly newspaper called Aahar Kranti was also released. This newspaper will be published in Hindi and English by Vigyan Prasar, and there will be a number of offline and online awareness programs in almost every Indian language. As part of this, special attention will be given to the training of teachers who will help spread the program's message to their students and in turn reach the students' families. This is being done to ensure that the message of the program penetrates the entire Indian society. The hope is that the ancient Indian knowledge of Ayurveda will once again prove to be a guide for the whole world.